Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Life SolidWorks tutorial series. In this video, today I am going to design this simple wedge shape by using the SolidWorks lofted boss base and plane selection features. Already I have explained both the features. If you want to study those videos, you can go to the description box, the link has given. You can see in your screen, this is the model that we are going to design here. So let's open a part first. Click on the part and go for OK. Here you can see the unit is millimeter gam second, so let it be. I want millimeter unit. Click on the top plane and I'll go for the sketch. So you can see here, first I need to draw a circle which is having the diameter 41. So I'll be just drawing there one circle. I'll be giving the dimension diameter 41. Go with the OK. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. Come out from the sketch. Now for the next sketch I need to create a plane, so I'll go for the plane creation. So I'll just click on the top plane and I'll just take a plane like this, and I'm just going to give the dimension from the top plane, this plane, from the top plane to this plane having the distance 20, and just go with this OK. So let me create the plane first. I'll be creating one more plane. I'll be giving the distance from this plane to this plane having the distance here 12 mm. Go with the OK. Again I will create here one more plane and I'll be giving the distance from this plane to new plane 13. Go with the OK. And I'll be creating one more plane which will have the distance from this plane to 20. Just go with the OK. Now you can see here in your screen you are having 4 planes which are visible. Now I'll select this plane, go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. I will draw one circle and I will be giving the diameter which is 42. Give the dimension 42. Go for the OK. Come out from the sketch. You have to select the next plane. Click on the sketch. Now you can see here in the third plane we are drawing. Again I will select the circle and I'll be giving the diameter which is 26. Give the diameter there which is 26. Come out from the sketch. Again you have to select this plane. You can see here this plane. Click on this plane and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. Now I will go for the center rectangle and click on this center rectangle and give the dimension for this rectangle which is a square 30. So give the value 30. Go with the OK, and you can give relation like this are equal. Now you can see here it's getting fully defined. So come out from the sketch. Now I will go for the other plane here, plane. For this plane, click on the sketch and make it normal to the plane. I'll be going for the rectangle once again. Click on the center rectangle. I'll be drawing here one rectangle. The rectangle is having the length which is 75. Give the value there 75, and I need to give here width and having the width of 0.25. Now come out from the sketch. Now I will go for the command here, lofted boss base. Click on this. I will perform this operation into 2 steps. So I'll just clear selection. I will start from the bottom, then this profile, then this profile, and click on this profile. Now you can see here your shape is looking like this. Then go for the OK. Here you can do one thing. Now you can hide these planes. I'll hide this plane. I don't want this plane. Now I'll go for the loft once again. Click on this. Here I will choose this sketch and this face. Now you can see it's not coming because we need to adjust this, and here there is having some twist over there. We have to bring this point to this side. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. Just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.